Alright guys, this is part 8 of the Tamiya Midnight Pumpkin build series. In this video we will be mounting tyres to wheels and mounting them to the chassis. Now, as you can see, I've got one tyre done. I have two mounted to the chassis, and I have one bare wheel. Reason being I've done it this way is it's a little time consuming. So got a tyre here. Now this kit here, you don't need to worry about gluing tyres on. By the looks of things, there are holes in the rims on where the bead is, where we could put a dab of glue in if you want to. I'm not going to bother. It's just a muck around car for me. So what we'll do is we'll mount the tyres. So when you're doing it, pay attention to the direction of the tread, and note its orientation. So that's going to be facing that way, so we want this wheel, or this tyre rather, to be facing the same way with the wheel. So with some editing, let's mount it. Alright, there we go. So we got the tyre mounted. Now this is the rear tyre, so this one has to go here. Now with the front wheel, obviously this is a two-wheel drive truck, so this wheel free spins, so we will need two bushings. Now what you will need to do is on the shaft here, and this is something you'll have to do periodically too for maintenance, is we'll put some grease on there, and I'll put a little grease just on the inside there for the bushing to stay. What I will do though, what I like to do is I like to put some grease on the inside of the hub and just work it around as well. So we put that on. That on in there, make sure that the bushing is nice and flush, and it's fallen off. Alright, so try that again. Bushing in. Sorry if this is off camera guys, I just gotta make sure it stays in. Okay, put the wheel nut in and tighten it up. Alright, so that's the front wheel done. Now the rear is a little different, obviously because this is the driving wheel. So instead of your traditional 12mm hex, it uses this, because don't forget this is an 80s design. So what we need is that and a drive pin. Now we'll make sure that the pin is parallel so it doesn't slide out. Put that on. Now we'll put the wheel on. Okay. Now we'll put our wheel nut on. And there we have it guys, we have wheels for our Midnight Pumpkin. Very springy. Alright guys, so that's the that's the chassis done. So now what we'll be doing is we will be focusing on assembling the body. So what I'll do is it's gonna have to be edited heavily, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned, guys.